everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I want to share with you something amazing that has been my kitchen to go, and that is Keenstone touch control toaster. As a mom of a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old, I am constantly on the go, and my kids seem to be always hungry, and having kitchen appliances that make my life easier is a must. This touch control toaster has been a lifesaver. With just a simple touch, I can adjust the settings to perfection. Loaded with incredible features to enhance your toasting experience, this toaster is versatile. It is not just for toasting bread only. You can use it to toast bagels, English muffins, waffles, and even heat up pastries. Plus, its sleek design and compactness, it fits perfectly on the countertop without taking too much space. Now let's toast with our touch control toaster. Place your bread in the toaster slot. Push down the lever to start the toasting process. By default, the toaster automatically starts at level 3, providing a balanced toasting level. To adjust the toasting settings according to your own taste preference, simply use the touch controls. Depending on whether you prefer a lighter or darker toast, you can easily customize the toasting level by tapping the touch controls. To get this product, the link to product on Amazon will be on the description of this video. And guess what? You have a whopping 40% discount if you order straight away. And if you are subscribed to this channel, you have an additional 10%, whopping 50% discount on this product. So if I were you, I would just grab this discounts before they slip away. Whether it's a quick breakfast before school or a snack in between playtime, this toaster delivers consistent results. So, if you're a busy mom just like me, looking for a kitchen upgrade, I strongly recommend giving the Keenstone touch control toaster a try. Trust me, it will revolutionize the way you toast. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and families and everyone you know. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.